What's up, YouTube? Coming at you today with our favorite guest, Sophia, who is a cat today.
Meow.
And today we are unboxing Doorables Pixar Fest. We've seen these all over YouTube. Now it's our turn to open it.
Let me open this.
There are 8 to collect, plus the mystery figure. I have no idea who it could be.
I a little stick here.
Yeah?
And it help me.
Yep.
Open that.
Okay. We've never unboxed a big one before, so let's see if we can do it.
It's
Okay.
a door.
Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 doors.
A boy Lightyear.
Oh, so that's funny. It shows you who the mystery figure is.
Mom, I saw.
Buzz Lightyear. Well, that takes the fun out of guessing.
Mom, I
All right.
opened it.
Yep. All right, here. I'll get them all out for you.
Okay, I opened another one.
All right.
What's this one? Sassy what? Sassy
A fuzzy one.
Shoot it.
That is Remy.
Shoot it, Mom.
Wow, very cute and funny. He's from Ratatouille.
The lucid one.
Ooh, Jack from Incredibles.
Why do you look so weird?
Because he's on fire. Empties.
Okay.
Ooh, Eve from Wall-E.
What's this?
All right. That is young Ellie. I think she's from Up. Maybe? Who's next? There he is. Wall-E. Wall-E.
Actually,
All right. We have 3 more. There he is. Young Carl. He is from Up, so he's got to be with Ellie, I'm guessing. This guy, Miguel. All right, last one. We're missing Boo. There she is, dressed in her monster costume. How cute. Which one was your favorite?
that.
This one? Jack?
No.
Jack was her favorite, and I'm going to say Remy was my favorite. All right. Thanks for stopping by and unboxing with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe.